up YouTube? So we're going to be doing another Rebel update today. Just got some new parts in. We're going to open up, check them out, do a little assembly of the parts, then show you exactly what we're going to be doing. So let's go ahead, check it out. What do we got here? So what we got in the box here are some rear LCAs by Core 4x4. If you don't know what an LCA is, that is a lowering control arm. These are adjustable control arms, so you can kind of set them to the exact specifications as you want. And these are the tier 3 LCAs. You can also get the tier 4, and I believe they also offer a tier 5 LCA. So like I said, these are the tier 3 rear LCAs. I'll go ahead and throw in a little clip of me actually on the website so you can see exactly what I ordered. So if you're interested in ordering it as well, it'll show everything exactly as I ordered and the final price. So I'll go ahead and throw that in right now. Alright, so now that you see exactly what I ordered, let's go ahead, rip this box open, get all this shit off of there, assemble them, and we can start disassembling all the other control arms on the truck and throw these on there. Okay, first things first, Core 4x4 gets an A+ on packing their shit. There was no way any of this stuff was getting damaged in shipping. I cut through about a whole roll of saran wrap before I could undo everything, as you just saw. But yeah, there they are right here. Here are the actual control arms. I opted for the additional charge of all new hardware. I think this was $15. You might as well for $15, why not? Most important part right here, some decals, because everyone knows you do it all for the decals. And then these right here, these are what make it adjustable. See, these screw, they thread. Let me put you down real quick, YouTube. See right here, this threads into here. So pick the desired length that you need, and then it just kind of screws in here, and then you see the bottom bolt, bring that on down and you lock it, and there you go. There's your control arm. And once it's locked into place, that's not going to be moving anymore. So that's what makes it adjustable right there. It's nothing too complicated, nothing too fancy. But for you noobs, let me go ahead and explain to you exactly and show you what control arms are. Because I just kind of told my wife, hey, look, these are control arms. And legit what she said to me, trucks don't have arms. Can't make this shit up. So let's go ahead, jump down here, and I will show you. So there are two sets of control arms. Lower control arms, because you can see they're on the lower part, and then upper control arms. Upper, lower, LCA, lower control arms. So you can see what we got to do is disconnect it from here, and you disconnect it from right back there, and then you take this, you lay it down on the ground, Then you take your adjustable control arm, you match it up exactly, you tighten down the bolt, and there you go. Your adjustable control arm is ready to install. So the reason I did lower control arms and I didn't do the upper control arms yet is because this is a 4th gen Rebel. 4th gen Rebels have the air ride. So you see that little fucker right there? That's the arm for the level. You know, when you get leveling links and stuff like that, this is a little arm that connects to the sensor right there that controls the air ride. So on other Rams, they don't have this piece, and Core 4x4 doesn't have a Rebel specific LCA or upper control arm. So you just have to get one for regular 4th gen, and on the regular 4th gen they won't have this bracket here that connects the control, or you know, this little plastic arm thing for the air ride. One thing does have me tripped up, and let me go ahead and show you down here. On the driver's side lower control arm, you can see there's this little piece here, and I'm pretty sure that's the brake line. So kinda gotta figure out what I'm gonna do here, because you can kind of see it has this little bracket thing for the brakes. So I'm wondering if I could just disconnect it from here, flip it upside down, connect it to this one, and then just kind of route them up a little bit. Let's go ahead and have a good look at everything here. Really good powder coating done to these. You know, you probably saw on there that they have multiple options you can choose. I went with the orange, you know, Mopar orange. Thinking about going with a lot of orange accents on this. Another thing, kind of cool, I didn't know until afterwards, but if you want a different powder coat color that they don't have on the drop down list, you can personally contact them and they will powder coat it whatever color you want. So I think that's kind of cool. So let's look at these over here. The bushings in here, I don't know if you can really see, but definitely good bushings, definitely high quality. These are definitely high quality parts. There's no doubt about it. Everything's really solid, nothing feels flimsy. Heavy duty stuff here. Even the hardware, really nice hardware, good bolts, washers, everything. Yeah, so again, it doesn't come with all this hardware. You don't need to get the hardware. You can reuse your stock hardware, but for $15 or $20, whatever the hell it was, it's worth it. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap it up for this one. I'm not going to throw the install in this video, or you know, it's just going to be a really long video. I'm going to make a dedicated video just going over the install. I'll probably make a time lapse, not a lot of me talking. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be coming out in the next few days. But again, really good stuff. Core 4x4. I haven't seen any other Rebels with aftermarket control arms. So let's see how these work out. I hope everything's easy. It should be. And again, this isn't a sponsored video or anything. It's just, I don't have any sponsorships for this car. Who the hell would sponsor me? But again, check them out. Pretty good stuff. I paid $325 for these. Not cheap, but honestly, for the quality, it's definitely worth it. You know, buy stuff for the first time. You don't have to rebuy it again later. So thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next one. See you later.